Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to format your bullet points so that they can look different like this, the way these ones look. So let's reload the site. This is what it looked like before. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard to take a look at the post. And this is a bullet point I want to change. I want to change these four. Now leave this one as it is. So for this one, scroll down to this side and click on Advanced and type Lower Latin. Click Update. Click the second one, type Lower Roman, Loman. And click Update. Type this one, click here in this block and type. Okay, click the third block and type square. And click Update. And click the last block and type check mark. And click Update. Then we're going to edit the style sheet of our theme to reflect these changes. In order to do that, visit the folder where your site files are stored and open your theme folder. Then open your style sheet for your theme and edit the code there. Do the same for the other three. For this one, we're going to put the symbol in quotation marks because there's no name that we can use to reference the check mark. So I'm going to copy it and put it in quotation marks. Okay, then click Save. So let's go and reload our sites. You can see the changes have been reflected. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so that I can receive more videos like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.